In this quick video tutorial, I will show you how to buy Robux from Eldorado GG. First of all, you need to open your browser, go to eldorado.gg and create an account. You can just simply click login in the top right corner and use your Gmail to create an account. After you will have an account, then in the search bar you need to write Robux and you need to click on Robux right here, and you will see a lot of sellers who are selling Robux. In the top you will see the seller who has got best exchange rates, and right here on the right side you need to write the amount of Robux you want to buy. For example, this one has got minimum amount, which is 2,640 Robux, and it costs 9.74 euros. Another thing you need to look for is the delivery time. This person will send your Robux to your account in 6 to maximum 20 minutes. Also, there are other sellers which has got other delivery time periods, guys. So for example, I will choose this seller. I will click on buy now, and I will go to this page where I need to enter the payment method. But as you can see, Roblox takes 30% transfer fee. So that means 30% of this amount will be transferred to Roblox, and you will receive 30% less to your account. So you need to choose the payment method, which will be credit or debit card, Google Pay or cryptocurrency. Then click continue to payment, and once you will confirm the payment, you will receive your Robux. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.